Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your shopping decisions. Today, we've got a heavyweight battle between two titans of the smartphone world. In the left corner, weighing in with a legacy of innovation, we have the Apple iPhone 11. And in the right corner, the budget-friendly, feature-packed fighter, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. It's Apple versus Samsung, old school versus new school, and we're here to help you figure out which one deserves your hard-earned cash. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about price. The iPhone 11 comes in at $339, making it a more premium option. Reviewers appreciate its flagship-level features at a relatively lower price point for an Apple device. On the other hand, the Galaxy A15 5G is priced at a wallet-friendly $158. Reviewers find it to be a great economical option, offering excellent value for the price. If you're all about saving those Benjamins, the Samsung Galaxy A15 is already ahead by a mile. All right, let's talk screens. The iPhone 11 rocks a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina HD display. Reviewers love its vibrant and crisp visuals. But hold on, the Galaxy A15 5G struts in with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, 1080 by 2340 resolution, and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Reviewers are impressed by its stunning screen quality and smooth performance. If you're a Netflix binger or a mobile gamer, the Galaxy A15 5G is the clear winner here. Now, for all you selfie kings and queens, let's dive into the cameras. The iPhone 11 boasts a dual 12 megapixels rear camera setup and a 12 megapixels front camera. Reviewers praise its ability to capture professional quality photos. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 5G flaunts a triple rear camera setup, 50MP, 5 megapixels and 2 megapixels, and a 13 megapixels front camera. Reviewers are thrilled with its high-quality images and versatile camera options. If you want to capture every moment in stunning detail, Samsung takes the cake. Okay, battery life. iPhone 11 promises a minimum battery capacity of 80%, which some reviewers find adequate for a day's use. On the other hand, the Galaxy A15 5G packs a whopping 5,000 mAh battery. Reviewers love its long-lasting power, describing it as the Energizer Bunny on steroids. For those marathon days, Samsung's got your back. Next up, compatibility. The iPhone 11 is unlocked and ready to mingle with any carrier, GSM or CDMA. Reviewers appreciate its wide compatibility. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 5G is an international model, no US warranty, but it's still compatible with most GSM carriers like T-Mobile and AT&T. Reviewers note that it works well internationally, but can be a bit of a gamble in the US. It's like that mysterious foreign exchange student. Cool, but a bit of a gamble. Summarizing the reviews, the Apple iPhone 11 is praised for its premium features, reliable performance, and professional quality camera. Reviewers love its sleek design and versatility. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is lauded for its economical price, stunning display, versatile camera setup, and long-lasting battery life. It offers great value, especially for international users. All right, smart shoppers, there you have it. The iPhone 11 is like that reliable, well-dressed friend who's always there for you, but might cost you a pretty penny. The Galaxy A15 5G, on the other hand, is the new kid on the block, affordable, feature-packed, and ready to impress. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you and your wallet. Let us know in the comments which phone you're rooting for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.